I grew up having sourdough waffles every single Sunday morning, homemade sourdough waffles. And so when I found out that I was allergic to wheat in my 40s, I was so upset. I thought that I would have to give up sourdough waffles forever, and even gave away my starter. Then I found this gluten-free starter. I was so excited to try it, and I have had it for a year and a half. I've been making so many different gluten-free sourdough items, and I love it. It's so easy. The starter is dehydrated, and it takes about a week to get it going, 4 or 5 days to get it going, as I remember. And then you can make anything with it. I have made bread, sourdough waffles, dinner biscuits, pizza, sandwich bread, gluten-free sourdough chocolate chip cookies. They were so good. And gluten-free sourdough scones. I love being able to make my own bread and knowing exactly what ingredients are in the bread, and knowing that I will not have an allergic reaction. I highly recommend this gluten-free sourdough kit. It is so easy to start, so easy to maintain. It's been so much fun to experiment with and to make all my goodies. Before, I felt like I had to miss out on not only the sourdough waffles, but the tradition. Felt like I was missing out on family tradition. But now I don't have to, because I could make my own sourdough waffles and carry on the tradition with my family. I highly recommend it. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.